In today's tutorial, I'm going to be playing the song How God is an Awesome God. So I'm going to show you the intro and the chord progression. Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time here, don't forget to turn on that notification bell and click that subscribe button. So we're going to start with the intro. The intro is very simple, and I'm going to also show you the chord progression. Being that is the core goal of this tutorial. Very, very simple. I'm going to break it down. So the intro is that. So that's the intro. So what am I playing? First, you need to understand that I'm playing on the key of G. So G major. So remember, in our piano accompaniment, we've learned how we can get chord progressions and how we can do voicing. All this knowledge is what I applied in this song. This song starts on chord 4 of the G major scale. So when you say chord 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it means that we're playing C major. Well, I just did mine to be C major 7th. You see that? So the song is starting on chord 4, then move to chord 1, depending on how you want to pick your voicing, and the next it moves to chord 5, depending on how you also want to pick your voicing. Then the next again it moves to chord 6. So chord 6 will be played like this. Did you get that? Then it moves to chord 5 and then chord 4. So let me sing the song. Our God, that's it. Is the awesome God, He reigns. See? From heaven above with wisdom and power. Our Lord, our God is an awesome God. So, what did I do at that end? So, our Lord, our God. So that's chord 2, minor. Then is I go to chord 3 again. Some God. Then I'm going back to chord 6. You can see that. So I'll take it again. Our God. I've changed to another inversion of chord 4 on the key of G. Is our awesome God, He reigns. See that? From heaven above with wisdom. So I did from. I didn't just read that on the chord 6. I could have done chord 6 from heaven above with wisdom. But what I did is this. I did from heaven above. So I just did chord 5. So chord 6, chord 5, then chord 4. So from heaven above with wisdom and power, our Lord our God is our awesome God. That's all the chord. Then back to the intro. It's still the same chord I played at the intro. The intro I started with this with the chord 4. You see that? Then I did this. See there? Then you see what I did? And that's what the pianist played there. Then so I did a kind of harmony. This is coming from the 8th degree, 7 to 6. So this is taken from the 3rd. So you're moving in 3rd. Then chord 4. you get that? Then 2 now. That's what I did at the intro then, and I did that's still chord 3. You see that? Back to chord 6. So that's all about the song, and the chord progression keep repeating. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on that notification bell, share with friends and family, and get ready for my next video.